Hello guys, welcome again to the channel. If you're new to this channel, a big welcome, and if you're not new, thank you so much for always being here. So today I will be showing you guys how to draft a two-piece shirt collar. So if you've ever had a hard time drafting this type of collar, then this video is definitely for you. So to start off, I'm going to first measure around the neckline of my finished garment. Now when I say finished garment, it means your button wrap should have been in place, your shoulder seam should already be joined, and basically it's just the collar left to attach. The best way to get the perfect neck width is after your neckline is finished. So here my finished neckline was 18 inches. On a pattern paper, I'm going to start by marking two margins, one on the left and then one at the bottom. The left edge is going to be the center back line and the right edge is going to be the center front. So first I'm going to divide the neck width, which we got as 18 inches. I'm going to divide by 2. In this case we had 9 inches. Now from that point I'm going to mark 1 inch towards the left, which is the center back. Now the 1 inch in this case was the size of my button wrap. So if you have a button wrap that is much wider than 1 inch, then definitely use that. So measuring from the first point, I'm going to mark ½ inch up. Now this measurement can go from ½ inch to about 3/4 of an inch based on how tightly you want it to fit around the upper neck. Next I'm going to divide the line from the center back to the button wrap. Now here it was 8 inches, so half of that is going to be 4 inches. I'm going to mark that point and then connect to the ½ inch that I marked above on the CF using my French curve. Now measuring from this last point, I'm going to mark the length of the stand part of my collar. This measurement can go from 1 inch to about 1¼ inch. Now here I will be using 1 inch. Now from there I'm going to go towards the CF and also mark 1 inch. Next I'm going to connect with my ruler and then finish off with my French curve. So based on your design preference, you can either leave the CF straight or curved, but in this case, I'm going to just add a slight curve. So at this point, we already have a stand collar, which is also called the Mandarin collar. So if you're doing this type of collar too, this is also a good way to do it. There's also another way I make this collar or the Mandarin collar. If you guys want to see that, let me know in the comments and I'll be happy to share. Now to draw the top collar, I'm going to mark 1 inch up from the stand on the CB line. From this point, I'm going to mark the length of my top collar. So here I'll be using 2 3/4 of an inch. But based on your design preference, it can be less or more. So towards the top part of the stand, I'm going to note the size of my button wrap, which was 1 inch. Then connect to the 1 inch I marked above the stand on the CB line. So from this point, I'm going to finish the length of the top collar. Now to have a straight line, I'm going to measure from the last point all the way to the bottom. This way my lines will be even. So towards the CB it was 5 inches, then I took that same measurement towards the CF and just connected like so. So to finish my collar point, I'm just going to draw my angle out. Now you can draw this point however you like, either curved or more angled or straight. So here I just went with a slight angle. So one final thing I like to do before the collar is done is to shape the top collar. So basically I mark ½ inch down and then connect to the point of the collar. Now this can also be done on top of the collar as well. So instead of dipping it down, you can raise it with ½ inch up, making the top part a little curved instead of straight. So here the collar is pretty much done. I'm just shading out the portions that are not needed. So here I'm marking the center back. Now this part is the part that's going to be cut on fold. So I like to make extra copies by just tracing on another piece of paper. So this way, if I'm working with a smaller neck size or a wider neck size, I can easily adjust by just taking off of the CB or adding to the CB. If you want to see a sewing tutorial, I'll be adding the link in the cards above or in the description below, so you can definitely check it out. So guys, that's pretty much it. This is how to draft a two-piece shirt collar. So if you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. And also don't forget to subscribe. If you'd like to see more videos like this, definitely do turn on your notification bell so you never miss a video from me. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope to see you in my next tutorial. Bye!